Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Are you searching for the best GATE coaching in your city Chandigarh? Then you should definitely watch this video till the end as I'll be discussing with you top 6 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city Chandigarh. Before moving to the video, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below. So without any further delay, let us move to the video. Rank 1, we have Toppers Academy. Toppers Academy is one of the most finest and one of the most leading coaching center in the education sector. It provides best online coaching, which is definitely a need of the hour in this pandemic situation. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.toppersacademy.app. So you should definitely connect to the institute once, as it is a rank 1 institute and provides best coaching. At rank 2, we have The Hindu Zone Coaching. The Hindu Zone is a great and best platform for preparation of NEET. You can connect to the institute by going to their website, which is www.thehinduzone.com. When you will connect to the institute, they will provide you a completely free of cost counseling session. Yes, you heard it right. A counseling session will be provided to the students, and that too completely free of cost. Hence, students can ask their queries with expert mentors regarding which institute will be best fit for them according to their course. Therefore, it is a great platform and opportunity for the students who are more likely to be confused. Hence, you should definitely avail this opportunity and must once call the Hindu Zone Institute. Moving towards our rank 3 institute, we have GATE Revolution Coaching in Chandigarh. GATE Revolution is having the center at Patiala, Chandigarh, and provides the best coaching for the GATE examination and for IES. This academy was part of Gurugram Institution, which was founded in the year 2003. GATE Revolution, an excellent destination for the result-oriented pattern. In this academy, you all will get a standard way of teaching. Now let us talk about the address of the institute. So, the address of GATE Revolution includes SCO 5455 Top Floor Sector 34A Chandigarh 160022. The contact number of the institute is 931051 5455. Now let us discuss its fee structure and the batch size. So, the fee structure of the institute is 40,500 rupees for civil and mechanical coaching, and that is for 6 months. The batch size of GATE Revolution is 50 students per batch. Okay, at rank 4, we have Compete India Zone. Compete India Zone is one of the best GATE coaching centers in Chandigarh and offers coaching for SDE, JE, IES, PSU and GATE. This coaching is built for the engineering entrance preparation. Compete India Zone also provides a great session for the interview preparation for a better selection. The faculty of this institute is highly qualified and holds many years of teaching experience. Compete India Zone was established in the year 2014. The address of this coaching is CIZ Campus, Dainik Bhaskar Building, 2nd floor, Sector 25D, Chandigarh. The contact number of the institute includes 981 437 6777 and 0172 4346 477. The batch size of Compete India Zone is 40 students per batch, and here you will also receive study material and test series. At rank 5, we have Engineering Solution GATE Coaching in Chandigarh. Engineering Solution. This institute was established in the year 2002. They offer an excellent package of courses like GATE, SDO, JE, SSC, BTech, etc. The faculty is well trained in their institute and also are very good at their teaching techniques. The study material is filled with accurate and precise strategies. Moreover, this academy also have digital videos and technology for efficient learning. Now let us talk about further details of the institute. So, the address of Engineering Solution is SCO 167, Sector 37C, Chandigarh 160036. The contact number of the institute is 987-234 6666. Now let us talk about the fee structure and the batch size of engineering solution. So the fee structure of the institute is rupees 45,000 and the batch size of the institute includes 40 students per batch. The website of the institute is www.engineeringsolution.com. So friends, the last institute we'll be discussing in this video, which is also our rank 6 institute, is Gate Gurus Coaching in Chandigarh. Gate Gurus is one of the best institute and very popular for their GATE coaching classes. The faculty is fully devoted and even believes in professionalism. The team of mentors in the institute are highly qualified in their teaching field. The study material of GATE is very systematically planned, which gives assured proper utilization of time. All in all, it is an excellent combo of tricks. Now let us discuss some of the courses offered by the institute. The very first is IESESE, then we have PSU at rank 3, SSC JE, number 4, government entrance exam, etc. But mostly this institute is famous for their GATE classes. The Google rating of the institute includes 4.7 stars out of 5 with the positive reviews which are mostly given by the students. Now let us discuss its address, contact number, fee structure and the batch size. So the address of this institute includes SCO 128-129, 4th floor, Sector 34A, Chandigarh 160022. The contact number of the institute includes 99158 31219 and 0172 466 9199. The fee structure of the institute is 42,000 rupees and the batch size of the institute includes 60 students per batch. So friends, these were our top 6 institutes for best GATE preparations in your city, Chandigarh. I hope you have got enough knowledge and information regarding all these institutions and now will select the best one for yourselves. For more updates and information like this, kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.